Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Ngin wan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Wat la ka sorkar jilla ka lakhot bat weri ki pat ba. Bakin wan chakman na ka bentaban ay Dawai Tika ladi. Kenang banyada na ka jing bed ya ka jing pang COVID-19. Henrekat kum ki jing yo jing tip. Menta na kinong trei jong katnat ka koit ka kya. Kile thua ba ka jilla me klia. Kadon pat apadeng ka Jingduna kani ka Dawai Tika. Usambut menteri rang ba ka jilla ba prestun tensong hawe kran ba kila pathai kubor ka khat santering ujemang arajar arfuai. Ulai thu ru ba hadu menta ki pat ba nong shong ka jilla ki belayo ya ka Dawai Tika kilong hadu kumba khandai pulai nak sispa haba khain lang ya ki bela palat ya kerta ka bala sau pusan snam shaneng bat kentup ru ikinong shong ki bela kenjo ya kerta kabala khat pras nam hadu kerta kabala sau pusau snam.
Today we review it and in fact it went off very smoothly. See, the problem was those people who complained, they did not check properly their slot, because through that slot it is intimated to them that you have to come on that day. But it seems that out of sight or what, they're supposed to go tomorrow, they went today. So that kind of things are there. But I'm sure right now the report that we receive is smooth. 92-93% is we are already crossed for the vaccination of 18 to 44.
Don't you think there's a fear of shortage of vaccination?
Yes, that is true. Right now we have shortage. The shortage is, as I said to you, it's not a new thing that it happens only in Meghalaya. It happened throughout the nation. So right now, government of India, they're still working out. They are still having discussion with the manufacturing company, and this is beyond our control. We can't help it.
So when do you expect this vaccine to come?
I can't say anything right now, but we have already sent official requests, both for 45 and above, as well as for the 18 to 44. The quantity, not less than 5 to 10 lakhs. As of now, 45 and above, the stock is still there, and will be able to complete. Those people who have just completed the first vaccine, they'll be able to complete for the second half.